Welcome, super readers. It's Mrs. Sailor. Are you ready to take an adventure in reading? Let's go. This week, you're reading the story, A Musical Day. We're going to learn some new vocabulary words to help us understand the story better. When we learn vocabulary words, it's important that we can define the words. That means to understand what the words mean. Let's take a look at our first picture. I actually used a picture from our story to help you understand. Do you remember who this character is in our story? She's Aunt Viv. Our vocabulary word is aunt. Can you say aunt? So what is an aunt? Maybe you have an aunt in your family. An aunt is the sister of your mom or dad or your uncle's wife. Take a look at our next picture. See if you can guess what this vocabulary word will be. I see some children, and it looks like they're all playing instruments. What could this word be? It's band. Try the word band. Think about what that word means. A band is a musical group. Have you ever played in a band before? Let's look at our next picture. See if you can guess what this vocabulary word will be. Maybe you even have one of these or have used one to play music before. Hint, hint. You got it, boys and girls. It's a guitar. Try the word guitar. So what is a guitar anyway? A guitar is a stringed musical instrument. Let's look at our last picture. Boy, this is colorful with lots of music notes. I wonder what this picture could be showing us. Our last vocabulary word is music. Try that word, music. So what is music? Music is sounds, beats, and rhythms that are pleasant to hear. Let's review our 4 new vocabulary words. Repeat after me. Aunt, band, guitar, music. Boys and girls, you will find all 4 of these words in our story, A Musical Day. So it's important that we understand what they mean. Let's practice using each one of them in a sentence. I will read the sentence, and you can think about which word fits best in the blank. Remember, you can only choose from our vocabulary words, aunt, band, guitar, and music. Here we go. Sam plays the drums in a blank. What do you think would fit well in that blank? Sam plays the drums in a band. Good job, boys and girls. Sam plays the drums in a band. Let's take a look at our next sentence. My blank, Viv, will babysit us. Which word would fit best in that blank? My blank, Viv, will babysit us. You got it. My Aunt Viv will babysit us. Great job, boys and girls. Let's read our next sentence. We like to hear rock blank on the radio. Which vocabulary word do you think fits best in the blank? We like to hear rock blank on the radio. We like to hear rock music on the radio. What kind of music do you like to listen to, boys and girls? Let's read our last sentence. I play the blank in a band. I play the blank in a band. Which word do you think would fit best there? I play the guitar in a band. Do you play any instruments? Boys and girls, when you read A Musical Day this week, pay attention for our 4 vocabulary words. I'll see you next time.